Hey, what's up guys? Matt Laidlaw here with Laidlaw's Harley-Davidson. So I wanted to do a quick highlight video on a 2019 Breakout that just came out of our shop recently. It was a pretty awesome build, so I wanted to show it off here. We built it for one of our customers that pretty much pieced the build together himself, and we just put it together for him. So let me kind of give you the walk around on this here. So something that's kind of cool about this is the little cowl or the hood over the front headlamp that actually came off of a V-rod. And I think he saw that somewhere and decided to do it, and it fit just perfectly. These are Roland Sands wheels. These are the Domino wheels. They're the stock size, so 21 in the front, 18-inch rear in the back. And they've got kind of like a matte finish to them. Came out really nice. They look real slick on the Breakout here. You've also got the red brake caliper in the front as well. So you've got the heavy breather intake. That's a genuine Harley-Davidson intake there. And you've got the Vance and Hines Big radius exhaust, full exhaust system here. And coming around to the tail end, this is kind of what makes the bike real cool, is you got a Heartland kit back here, which includes the seat that I'm showing you here. And you've also got this fender that rests right over the rear tire there. It's a stock tire, 240 millimeter rear tire. Once again, you got the Domino Roland Sands rear rim there. And you've also got an air ride system on this, which is how we were able to get that fender so close to the rear wheel. And it's an air ride system that I'll demonstrate in just a minute. But yeah, really cool profile on here. The Heartland kit also includes the side mount license plate there. And it also includes the Fender Struts that bolt the fender up there. You've also got some little LED lights in the ends of those struts there for the turn signals. You've got some Dominion collection items on here, like your shift peg and your foot pegs as well. This is the 114 version of the Breakout. Harley-Davidson actually just continued the 107 version of the Breakout, just FYI. So yeah, this wheel is really cool. Here's a close-up shot. You've got kind of like these holes in the rim, and you've also got this pulley that matches as well. So real cool finished look on here. And this paint job, and I'll give you some better close-ups in just a minute, is done by Seth at Aggressive Designs. He's our preferred painter. Here's another shot of the genuine Harley-Davidson red brake calipers there. You can also see there the rotors all match the front wheel as well. Once again, 21-inch front wheel. The bars on here are factory 47 12-inch signature bars. It's kind of the same bar style that you'll find on the Road Glides as well that factory 47 does. Stock headlight. All the Softails come with LED headlamps now, and the Breakout has kind of their own unique headlight exclusive to just this bike. It's kind of like this oval shape. You've got custom dynamics turn signals as well on the bike. And this thing just, you know, the build that he did here just really further accentuates the chopper setup on this bike. I feel like the height of the handlebars is just perfect as well. Real clean gas tank. That's a stock gas tank. It's a 3.5. Here's a closer shot of Seth, his paint job there. And stock instrumentation there. You've got the LCD screen. You've also got the matching Roland Sands grips on here as well. So the grips tie in with the wheels and everything. Here's another shot of the Heartland kit. Real clean, big fat rear tire chopper look on this bike. Came out really, really nice. So here's a shot of the switches. That's for the air ride switches there. So the best way I can describe this bike is a modern day chopper, like a muscle chopper would probably be a good description for it. I had a blast riding it. There's something that just never gets old about ape hangers, fists in the air, rider stance, just a ton of fun. Ape hangers aren't the best for long freeway rides because you catch a lot of wind, but for just ripping up the boulevard, they're just a ton of fun. And just, you know, the whole profile of the bike with the big 21-inch front wheel and the big fat rear tire, just kind of a look that never really gets old. And, you know, with the modern, you know, refinement of the new frame and the Milwaukee 8, this thing, you could really rip it around pretty good. And so, yeah, it was a lot of fun. I could rip around on this bike a lot better than I could on, you know, a lot of the special construction choppers. For a while there in the early 2000s, you had everybody making these choppers like Big Bear choppers and Pro One choppers, and there's just a bunch of them out there, and they wouldn't handle nearly as good as something like this, but this one isn't quite as radical either. Another thing is the suspension on here, the rear shock, the air ride, the air adjustable shock is platinum, which was also purchased through the Heartland website. And so yeah, the platinum rear air ride, whenever you have a shock like that, you're going to want to fully inflate it so you have, you know, the most travel available, you know, with a little bit of sag in there as well. But yeah, the ride quality was decent. If I could say anything negative, the rebound damping wasn't quite as good as your traditional like Softail setup with the mono shock in the rear. It wasn't quite as responsive as the stock shock, but the ride comfort felt good, and I didn't feel like, you know, it took away much from it. So yeah, just overall really fun bike. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.